what will your hallways look like. Clean, not super bright, but what do you need? Then your elevators, you've usually got, I think it's 2 one side, 3 the other. I'll see you downstairs. It's actually the first time I've come out and it's not crowded with people. So normally there's a guy there selling stuff.
Yeah, I think so.
And you've got your stall, which is expensive, very, very expensive. Then you got your check-in. And of course, like, your main foyer.
A gente vendo o vídeo dele. O seu cabelo está cacheado, bonito.
Okay, so this is down towards the pool area. You've got your smoking areas outside coming down. You walk around this way. I haven't been down here as yet. So, no smoking areas. You got restrooms. Then you got the pool. Apparently it's heated, and I'd say it would have to be because people are down here all the time. Like, and it's cold when you're out, the wind, but you've got all the hills, all the mansions over there. Walk back around this way. Not sure what that is, office or something. We'll probably say this a few times, but obviously the best part of this hotel is purely location. It's a 10-minute walk and you're literally at Universal's front doors. I haven't got my key on me, so I can't walk in. I left it with Alli up there, but you still get the idea. Big pool, huge pool. So I'm not sure what's out this side. Must be another access point. So you got day beds, big Hilton Universal chair. It's only 10:30, oh, still 10:30, and people are swimming. There was people down here this morning at about 8 o'clock swimming, and yeah, like I said, beautiful spot. Like it's not cold. I think at the moment it's about 15 degrees Celsius. So, but yeah, huge pool area. I think it's got a spa on the other side, and it's heated, so it'd want to be, but it would be freezing with that little bit of breeze when you get out. But obviously being a Hilton, it's everything you expect. Like, beautiful hotel. Gets crazy at times, but overall it's been really, really good. Okay, so you got another smokers area for all the smokers out there. There's a lot of them around here, to be honest. To put it blunt, there's a shitload. There's like a lot of smoking areas. Most hotels we go to don't usually either have them, or you have to leave the area, or etc. Then you got valet. So obviously this is your more schwanky if you want to eat upper class with the view, as they kind of told me. I think it's like 5-star dining. I didn't go into it. It's probably not really my thing, but it might suit a lot of people. 5 on the hill. And obviously this is where all the valet park. The cars back there, you've got the hotel. Walk over to the edge quickly. Yeah, it is. So you're right next to like one of the main freeways. Opposite all the rich people. That's not us. So once again, that's the tower there. It always looks really far away, but it's just, even from Universal, it looks like it's way too far to walk, but it's not. It's just like right there. We'll walk back over. Probably walking through the worst spot, but that's what we do. So they must have parking underneath there too. Okay, so once again, main entry. Inside all here, which we'll go into in a minute, is all dining. I think you can also dine outside along with it. And this is the same way you walk out, because most of the times they've got functions on inside, so you can't walk out through the middle of the hotel. We haven't been able to yet. Next door you got a Sheraton. I assume that's what the elevator there's for. And then obviously more function rooms, I think, or otherwise it might be connected to the restaurant as well, but I think it's a function room. And then you got more smoking areas. There's the elevators. It could be just to do with their parking too. And you got more smoking areas again. And then up here there's like a pond, turtles, etc. But once we get around here we'll turn back, because you'll see this in the walking to Universal video anyway, this area. So and then we'll go back. Once again, it always looks so far away, but it's not. It's really good weather. Like, it starts cooling down when it gets towards dark this time of year, but days have been perfect. I don't know, even though it's like 20, 21 centigrade.
Perfect for a theme park.
Yeah, it's still hot in the sun, like you still get sweaty, and it's not cold at all. You sort of wake up thinking it's gonna be, but it's most definitely not. Okay. Once we get inside, we'll do a bit of a walk around to a few of the things they have inside. We'll do what we can. It's pretty busy. What is it? All you can eat buffet.
Seafood buffet.
Seafood buffet, which probably would have been good, but I have no idea what that even cost here. Did it have a price?
No, I don't.
There's your ballet. Alright, which way do we want to go first? This way? So you got a restaurant in there. And a bar. I'm not sure how you even go into that one, or which one that one even was. You got your ballet. So you got your main foyer, which we hung out in a bit while we waited.
Are we going in a back? nấu ra tiền mặt theo ạ.
The seafood buffet restaurant. Splashy in there too. It's like a little courtyard. Another flashy room. Parking elevators. That this morning was full of all the seafood. They must have had that part of the morning. Yeah, morning or lunch. Function room again. There's Starbucks, which is only open till
6 till 11:30 a.m.
so it's not open very long. It was good this morning, but it's just a pity that it closes so early. So this must be the way through. We haven't been able to come through before because it's normally got functions on, so we can actually have a sticky beak now. But it's a huge hotel. So yes, you must be able to exit through them doors at the end. I'd say you might be able to go the whole way around. I'll do a little speed run. That way I can have, there's ballroom A. It's another huge function room. What do we got down this way? It just keeps going. So obviously all this was full yesterday, but I think the function room's going to there because it was a wedding. So hotel lobby, registration, lounge, ballroom A, club room, yeah, ballrooms, B, C and D. So there's another 3 big ballrooms down that way as well. So more elevators. It's a big, big hotel. Massive. What's that bit for? Like for paying for parking. So yeah, you got to walk through this with us for the first time because normally it's cut off a lot due to functions, which isn't a problem. You just walk straight around the outside. Not like it's much further. But everything's always super clean too. I have no idea what's up there. What's that? Boardrooms? Oh, yeah. More boardrooms and ballrooms. How you doing? It makes me feel very underdressed sometimes. So once again, back in the foyer, you got check-in, information. I'm not sure what the paint and sip is. It must be painting and drinking. And same thing across the road from the theme park. Desk again. And like I said before, you got your little store, but be prepared to pay a lot of money. You got hydro massage beds. Massage.
I'm going to do that tonight.
That's fine, you can go for it. And then we're back to the elevators again. Seafood buffet. And then Alli was just showing how they got these ones as well. So you've got Sierra, room service, lobby lounge. Well, I didn't realise the lobby lounge one either. And then the 5 on the hill, which is the schwanky one outside.
I think the lobby lounge is that's like when you walk in.
Yeah, on the left.
Yeah.
So it may have been a bit of a rush around, but we're only here for a couple of days. So we've sort of tried to do what we could in between theme parks and trying to see some sights. But we'll have a room, like the room tour up separate, and we'll have this up so you can connect both, and we'll have the walk to the park as well. So yeah, thank you.
Like and follow.
Bye.
Bye.